In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a list of everyone in SalesPype with a particular tag that you've assigned to them. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to our contacts. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this blue button here that says Advanced Filtering Options. And that's going to bring up a variety of ways that I can sort contacts. One of those contacts is sorting by tag. So I'm going to select this here. And I'm going to run a list of everyone in our system that has the tag real estate. Now, if you had multiple tags that you're using in the system, they would all appear in your drop-down menu. But I'm going to go ahead and select real estate. And now what it's done is it has created a list of everyone in the system with that particular real estate tag. Now, at this point, I can reach out to these people one-on-one, or I could export the results from this to a CSV file. And you'll see that I now have a list that I can work with. Their phone number, their email, etc. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Take care.